Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to auto-record either by a distance or time interval in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done here is I've just hooked up to a network rover that I've got a float solution on, and what I'm going to do to begin here is from the map screen, from my survey screen, I'm going to select that standard measure option right above RTK float. And I'm going to choose that auto recording option. And once that's selected, it's going to bring me to my auto recording menu here. And I have several different options I can change. So what I have right now selected is my interval mode as time. And if I flip it over to distance here, you can see I can set a distance interval. So if I want a point recorded every 5 meters traveled. In this case though, since I'm under a re-rating kit and I can't exactly move very far, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my interval mode to time. And I'm going to leave it at 3 seconds for the point of this video. And my antenna height, I'm going to leave as 0 meters. And then my point name here, I can select as auto001 as my starting point. I can give it whatever point ID I want, and I can give it a tag before that. In this case, though, I'm just going to leave it as my auto_001 point. And then right now, my code and line is selected as an anchor for my description, and I don't have a line associated with it. In this case, I'm going to choose a different description here. I'm going to call it a B wall with a B wall -1 line code. And if I hit OK here, I'm going to be taken back to my map screen. And you can see now my screen has changed a bit. In the bottom left corner, I now have what look like stop and play buttons. And if I hit the start button for my recording there, you can see that in the top right corner now, my green bar is going to be filling every 3 seconds and recording a point. So if I just record a couple points here, you can see that they are being recorded and updated on the screen. And what I can do is I can pause this by clicking the pause button where my play button once was, and that'll stop the recording wherever it is. And I can, if I want to start it again, I just got to hit that play button and it'll finish recording that point. And if I hit the square stop button there, it will stop the auto record and go back to my standard measure. And now if I hit my plumb bob in the bottom left corner, head back to my main menu, go project data, observations, I can see the different points I chose here, and you can see I got auto 1 through 4, and those are the 4 points I just recorded. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you record a point using an interval period of either time or distance. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions or suggestions for videos, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.